hereby confer your clinical graduation. Congratulations to you and to your family.
It is a privilege and honor to introduce our distinguished guest speaker for the 23rd Clinical Graduation and Rehab Ceremony. He obtained a Master's in Nursing at Ateneo de Naga University and has successfully passed not only several but 7 licensure examinations. 11. And lahat yon, take 1. His story teaches us that success is not defined by our past failures, especially our grades, but by our ability to learn from them and keep moving forward. His journey is a testament to the power of perseverance, self-awareness, and faith. So without further ado, please join me in welcoming our guest speaker, Mr. Ryan C. Victorino, LPT, RM, RN, USRN, MM. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Marsh. You may now be seated. My future colleagues, always remember that future is not set in stone. It is written by us day by day. We always have the power to change the narrative of our story. And together, we nurses can make a difference. Be the change that you want to be for the world. Congratulations to all of you graduates and to all the people who became part of this moment.